Yo, I'm gonna show y'all a little trick I learned in barber college. Some barbers know, some barbers don't. But for those that don't, check this out. I don't got an air compressor. I have a blow dryer, but I can only do so much.
Let every man talk, B.
Be careful, but look.
I told Ellie, I said, man, let me get back to you to be able to do that. And I done so if I get back following morning, I ran into the kids.
Yeah. Look at all that hair that came out of that clipper. This is going to help your clipper run cooler, you know, help the longevity of the clipper. I could do these. I'm not sure I can do these. I don't know. Look, you see that piece right there in the middle? It won't allow me. Right here, there's a gap in between that blade. You see that? Now you can see straight through the clipper. And this one, you see that gap right there? You can't see straight through. Well, let's get the hair out. We're gonna spray it down. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's nice. Now you can see through it. Just like that. So for those that do not have an air compressor in their shop or suite and they're using a blow dryer, this can still build up. You gotta clean it out. And I work part-time. I cut about 12 to 15 a day, but still you gotta clean this out.